Welcome back to the Big Business Blueprint. To recap, we've learned how to generate profitable ideas offered. In this module, we'll be focusing on how to raise the capital for your business. In the world of business, capital represents the fuel for your business to run efficiently. If your business needs a bigger engine, you'll be needing bigger capital. A bigger capital will drive your business towards your desired destination. In other words, your goal, your financial goal. To do this, it will include loans for working capital, purchasing machinery, hiring more staff, or even refinancing existing loans. Plus, if you're trying to restructure your company's debt, refinancing your company's debt can assist you by freeing up some cash in your business for working capital and expansion. Additionally, the growth of your company's financial standards can assist you in securing new opportunities. It's not impossible to raise the needed capital for your business within a short period. My business managed to raise $125,000 in just 4 days. Now, my company wasn't built yesterday. Before I pitched to investors, my company had a long history of profits and sales. But this is crucial because I raised funds for my business through my investors. The capital I raised was by bringing in investors to invest into my business. People investing in you or your business is because they want to. They want to earn money. They want to earn more money. This is practically the only reason they invest. They're getting their money to work for them. So what are the steps needed to raise your desired capital in just 4 days? Here are 3 steps on strategic funding, how to raise capital in 4 days. We'll cover it in the next 3 modules.